Global healthcare, delivering hope worldwide.
Have you ever wondered how a single tablet is trusted by millions of people before it reaches a pharmacy?
What if I told you that one medicine may go through dozens of scientific tests before a patient takes the very first dose? From checking the identity of raw materials to ensuring the final product remains safe for years.
Today, we're exploring the most important types of testing in the pharmaceutical industry in a simple, engaging, and easy-to-understand way.
Every single test has one purpose: to protect human life.
By the end of this video, you'll understand how pharmaceutical companies ensure that every medicine is safe, effective, and of the highest quality.
If you're a pharmacy student, a pharmaceutical professional, or simply curious about how medicines are made, this video is for you.
If you're an East Asian female pharmacy student, a light-skinned Caucasian male pharmaceutical professional, or simply curious about how medicines are made, this video is for you. Behind every capsule, tablet, injection, or syrup lies a complete journey of scientific testing. All of these medicine type animate at front-back QC testing. Think of pharmaceutical testing like the security system at an international airport.
Scientists ask three important questions. Is this the correct material? Is it pure enough? Is it safe to use?
Is this the correct material?
Yeah.
Is it pure enough? Is it safe to use?
Yes, it is. We've checked it. Absolutely.
Welcome. Today, we're testing medicine ingredients for identity, purity, assay, moisture content, and impurities. Let's explore each one.
Let's explore them one by one. Everything starts with raw materials. Before manufacturing begins, every ingredient must be tested.
Even a tiny contamination in raw materials can affect thousands or even millions of medicine doses. That's why pharmaceutical companies never skip this first step.
During production, quality control continuously monitors the process. Depending on the dosage form, scientists check. The hardness is logged at 65. Understood. Preparing for blend uniformity. Friability test initiated. Good.
Depending on the dosage form, scientists check tablet weight, hardness, thickness, friability, disintegration, blend uniformity, granule moisture.
Now the medicine is manufactured. But can it be sold? Not yet. There are regulations and processes required.
Before release, every batch undergoes final quality testing. Appearance. Assay. Dissolution tests how medicine dissolves. Uniformity checks consistency of dosage. Identification confirms the active ingredient. These tests...
Let's explain medicine tests. First, related substances. Second, pH testing. Finally, content uniformity.
Only after all specifications are met can quality assurance approve batch release. One failed result, and the entire batch may be rejected.
Some medicines must also be tested for microorganisms. Microorganisms like bacteria, virus, shape, movement, and full microorganisms clip and these words voice.
I found evidence of both bacterial and fungal colonies on this plate. Excellent. We will proceed with culturing the samples. Yeast, mold, harmful pathogens. This microbiologist wear all microlab protocol performing these tests: yeast, mold, harmful pathogens. For sterile products like injections and eye drops, the requirements are even stricter. Here's why and how they are regulated to ensure safety and quality.
These products undergo sterility testing, bacterial endotoxin testing, and microbial limit testing. I perform these tests.
Because when medicines enter the bloodstream, there is absolutely no room for harmful microorganisms.
Have you ever noticed an expiry date on a medicine? That date isn't just an estimate. It is scientifically proven through stability testing. Medicines are stored under different environmental conditions, such as high temperature, high humidity, long-term storage, and accelerated conditions.
Stability studies monitor whether the medicine remains safe, effective, stable,
and chemically unchanged. These stability studies determine the product's shelf life and storage conditions.
Many people overlook packaging, but packaging is actually one of the medicine's strongest protectors. Scientists evaluated
Seal integrity checks ensure safety.
Now for leak testing.
Finally, assessing the child-resistant packaging. Success.
We must test all medicine packaging. This ensures child resistance. We also verify label accuracy, and we confirm the print durability. A perfect medicine inside damaged packaging can still become unsafe. That's why packaging quality is just as important as product quality. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, even the air is tested. Scientists regularly monitor air quality and particle counts. Let's test temperature, check humidity, monitor surface cleanliness, verify water quality, and personnel hygiene. Why all these tests matter? Every test serves one mission: protecting the patient. Protecting the patient. Testing isn't about paperwork. It's about ensuring that every patient receives a medicine that is safe, high quality. From raw materials to finished packaging, every stage is carefully verified before reaching the market. That is the true meaning of pharmaceutical. Now you know that pharmaceutical testing is much more than laboratory work. It is a complete quality system designed to protect millions of... Enjoyed this video and learned something new? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Pharmaceutical manufacturing, quality control, QA, and GMP. Which test is most critical? Raw material checks for purity, stability sets expiration, microbiological limits ensure safety. All are vital for quality. Let me know your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.